Hey YouTubers, so I made a few other videos from my car and I wanted to make one for my 2014 Ford Explorer Key Fob. There are a few other videos out there on the internet. I don't have anything negative to say to them. They all seem to be good, but I just figured since I've already been making videos, I might as well just make another one because, I don't know, I like to do it. So what we'll do is we'll go over how to do it, what parts are needed, etc. Thank you. So for the parts needed, you can see they're already left out here. You have a flathead you could use, and you will need some CR2032 batteries. This is going to be the replacement, CR2032. It does not have to be Energizer, it could be any brand. Again, this is what I use just because I got it at Home Depot for like $2. So the flathead will be optional in this, but I use it just because I like using tools instead of using other things. And we'll go through the process of what to do next. So for an installation, the easiest method I found to do this actually is just to pop out the little key back here in the back that's used on the key fob as a spare in case you need it. Now some people use this and you can pry this up and then push it down against it. That will work. I have nothing negative to say against that. I do kind of like using a flathead. That's just, again, because I don't know, it's just what I like to do. It just pops up easy. You can get it further down, get better torque. Again, I don't know, personal preference, right? It comes off easy for me too. So once it's exposed, pull the battery out. These come with an actual cover here. Just make sure you remove the cover, obviously. And then take note of the battery, the way it's facing. So in this sense, you can see the battery is facing up, or at least the round, smooth, non-labeled side. You can see some grease on there. So, and to get this out, you usually just got to find a retractor and push up on it. So in this case, it looks like right over here, they even have a little arrow for you. How about that? So just get that in there, pop it up. No, actually this time I may try it. No. Let me grab another tool, hold on. Picks, gotta love them. So just get a pick underneath there, easy as pie. Swapping out Panasonic. Remember how it was orientated? Round side facing up, label facing down. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do is just actually simply put it back into place. So you flip it back over, get it lined up. Usually I line up on the bottom, that to me was easier. And then start pushing just around the edges from the bottom up. And you'll start hearing it snap. Put the key fob or key back in the key fob. Make sure it's all tight, secure. And then just verify the car works, test it. Can't do much better than that. Thank you guys, have a good day, and stay warm. It's like 36 degrees right now in Portland, Oregon, or 30 degrees, sorry. So have a nice one.